Here I have addition practice chart 1 and box of problems, paper and pencil. So, Johnny, do you remember what addition is? Yeah, it's when we put things together. Yeah, that's right. And so, you remember when we played with the golden bead material and you were an add-in who brought all that material, those beads on one tray, and Bobby brought his add-in on his tray, and then you guys put it together and you formed the sum? Wow. These numbers at the top in blue are an add-in, and these are the other add-ins. So we're going to use this chart to do addition. Let me think of a problem like 7 plus 5. So 7's an add-in. Let's see, 7. And 5 is an add-in. There's 5. Okay, watch what I do. It's 12. Yeah. Now, watch again. If that was too confusing, you can go one finger at a time till you get close. And a little closer. And a little closer. Ah, there, they touched. Sometimes children might go like this. And you let them know 7, this finger needs to stay in the column of 7. And if they start to slip away, you say, oh, check and look up. Is this finger still in the column of 7? No, it's now an 8. It's supposed to stay in the 7. And check this one. Is it still in 5? No, it needs to stay in 5. So that you can use that sort of terminology. Well, now let's use this box to do addition. This one says 1 plus 8. So let's try that. 1 plus 8. Oh, I think he's out of... Let's go back. There we go. It's 9. Yeah, that does make sense. And if your child should, at this point, be a strong writer. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Let's pick another one. 5 plus 5. Oh, they're the same. 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And so on. Now your child can start to fill up this side of the compartment. Now, you probably won't have a box like this with 2 compartments and some nice plastic problems printed up. So you can always make your own, which I've done. And inside are problems that are just printed from cardstock and laminated. And you can have a little basket or a bowl and see if the child would like to fill up the basket with all these problems inside. Now this is chart 1. Your child may or may not do all these problems, but you see that they're pretty good at handling this chart. You may introduce the second practice chart. Now, I won't demonstrate how I usually show it to the child. I'll just show you how to use it, which you can also Google if you like. Let's say 4 plus 7, or 4 plus 8, all the way down. That is 12. And let's say if it was 4 plus 7, down, in, then we have to go down and over 11. Let's do a fun one. Let's do 6 plus 6. That one's easy. You just slide your fingers over. It's 12. Really? Yeah, 8 plus 8 is 16. And 7 plus 9? Guess what? That's 16. Awesome. And when they're really comfortable with using this, you introduce the third practice chart. Now, you don't want to make them sit down and do this work. It's just for practice. And guess what? They're doing the same problems over and over and over, and it's getting ingrained into their memory bank. There are even less numbers on this practice chart. Is this really all the ones we have to memorize? Just these? That's fabulous. Let's try it. 3 plus 9. 12. That's it. And 4 plus 5? 9. I knew that one. And so on. And each time you want them writing it down. 4 plus 5 equals. And so on. Because the more they see it, the more it'll get ingrained into that wonderful memory of theirs.